Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can work in Brizy and make a really nice footer that works for your website perfectly. You just go in plus sign, create your own, and now you will pick some containers. So where we get the container from, you get the container from here, column. Maybe you need two more. And maybe you have decided that one will go with logo and one will go with contact, some of the information like email, your phone number, and the rest of the two will go with menu. So I just copy this one again. This one I copy. And finally I will just delete this two because it's easier to drag the items. Here, and then a text element, and finally the menu item. One from here, one from here. That's great. Now I can delete this two and I can start making. And when I press here, I can go and find out which image I would like. Maybe it can be a logo or just an image. I choose to go with just an image, and then you just give the phone number, and to bring it in the middle you can go here, go in the setting option and press in the middle. It can bring in the middle in another way. I can show you. Go again in setting on the left side. It just appeared like before. Go in your element option and take a spacer and put it on top. Now you can see it's already in the middle. So it is possible that you can design in various ways. And here also that you can see two of the menus the way you want it, and you can drag around to place them wherever you would like them to be. And here also the adjuster, you can use it to bring it on the right side, in the middle, or on the left side. So I prefer to keep them in the middle, and here also in the similar fashion you can do the work. So maybe you need a background in your footer. So to get a total background in this 4 container, you go in that setting option, press here, and now you can change the colors. It can be solid. Solid means it will be only a single color. And also there is an arrow button. If you press, you can see that there is an option called gradient. So if you choose gradient, now you can see that color is dispersed over different places. So from in the beginning it is really thin color, and in the end side it is thick. And you can play around with this a little bit. Also you can choose different colors. I mean this is the place you have to play around and adjust according to your choice. And on the right side you can go a little bit lighter, bringing it down, and if it is completely on the top, it is the darkest. So it actually gives a very aesthetic look in your footer menu. You can also choose to get color in each container. Just you have to go in the corner in that arrow and then choosing the color. Now you can see that you have different color in that particular menu items. And here also, if you go and choose a color, it is different. And again, if you go here and choose a color, you can see now they have different color in different containers, and also it has a background color. And if you like them to be in the same place, you can drag along and you can work around. So there are plenty of ways you can play around and make it really beautiful. Thank you very much.